Hello and welcome to Gone Exploring. Today we're going to unbox and check out my newest camera. This one right here, the Osmo Pocket. I got it on eBay. It had good reviews. It's refurbished, and I generally like refurbished stuff. Never had a problem with anything that I got refurbished. And my thinking is they got all the kinks out. So we're going to unbox that in a minute. First I'm going to talk about the other cameras I got. This is my first camera that I used, and I wasn't really crazy about the quality of the video, but I'm starting to think maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just too shaky. But anyway, but I used to like this a lot for setting up on top of my desk to do I'm talking to the camera videos, but I can't get it to take a charge anymore. And I even got a new battery and everything, but oh well. Then I got this one, which worked really great and had nice sharp pictures and video, but lately what it's been doing is when the SD card gets kind of full, it gets jumpy and stuff. And if I'm videoing inside, it goes in and out of focus all the time. And I love the way that I can set this little tripod up. Ta-da! And the cool thing about it was like $150 on Walmart online. And it came with like 150 different pieces of GoPro kind of gadgets. Like I got head straps, chest straps, wrist straps. I can go underwater with it and all kinds of stuff, and just that extra stuff alone would easily be 150 bucks. Then I got this one, Canon Super Shot, which I absolutely love. I can zoom in on anything with such clarity, but once again it's that steady hand thing that I got to work on. So here's what I got. This has like a gimbal built into it. Well, let's unbox it. I'm going to set up my little tripod over here, and we'll do some unboxing and check it out. I just have my razor. What do I do with it? Here we go. Hey, you might see me cut myself, and I'll have it videoed. I'm gonna be careful. So this comes with 2 years of coverage, accidental hardware damage, includes water damage, and free two-way shipping. So here it is. It's not very big. I don't even know if that's the camera or not. It's over here. What's this? What's this? Got straps. Oh, they even, oh, I don't know what that is. Guess we'll have to read instructions. Straps, a charger, some mystery thing. So this is what it looks like. And the cool thing about it is it has like a three-way balance gimbal kind of thing built in. So hopefully my videos won't be shaking and bouncing and stuff like that like they have been. Either that or I'll have to find a new hobby. But I've been having fun with this video thing. The other thing that I like about my YouTube channel is, wow, that's tiny. The thing that I really like about my YouTube channel is that I get to remember the stuff that I've done and where I've gone, and like now I can't remember what year I went anywhere. But now I just refer to my YouTube channel and I figure out where I was when and when we did what, and what we did while we're there. So it's a good way to remember things. I wish I would have done this a long time ago. So we're going to turn this off now and read instructions. Got some nice thick little books to read and try to figure out what we're doing. I don't know, this doesn't look like that. Oh, I think that, okay. We're going to read the instructions now. It has a neat little carrying case. That's cool. So once you fully charge your camera, you can turn it on. And to me, this is pretty cool. This is like Terminator or Transformers or something. Check this out. Cool, huh? So anyway, you have to activate this camera. And I ran into some problems with that too, only because it's me and I'm not good with techie things. But here's a little screen, and then you hit it different ways and it'll give you different menus. But anyway, this is how you activate your phone. You have to stick in, they send you two different little thingies, that's what I'm going to call them, little thingies, that connect to here to your phone. And that's how you activate your phone. Unfortunately, they did not work on my phone because it was a different size. I think they have one for like your average phone and then one for like iPhones. There's two of them. They send you two of them. So I had to go through Amazon and get one that fits my phone. That's this here. And then this slides into here. Like that. And then you hook your phone up to it. Like this. And now you can see everything with a bigger screen if you want. And there's other things you can do with this app, like stuff for editing and slow motion and fast motion, stuff like that. I basically just want to use it as a camera. Just a nice little camera that doesn't make every step I take look all bouncy and weird. So I had a little bit of a problem downloading the app. It says here how to download the app, but when I tried downloading that app, they kept saying there was something wrong, and come back later, the app's not working, blah 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 blah. And there's a lot of really good YouTubers that tell you different things on how to use this camera. A lot of really helpful tips. I'm not doing that. I'm basically just want to talk about the new camera I got and say that hopefully I'll have better video. So I got this little piece from Amazon. It was 10 bucks. And once I got the app downloaded on my phone, it prompts you with a lot of different, you gotta read a lot of terms and conditions, and it also registers your phone, and it says it's good for 2 years, the registration and the warranty and stuff. Also, this does not come with an SD card, so you have to buy your own SD card. Another tip I got, get an SD card that says SDXC. That's supposed to be better for filming. So I have to keep that in mind. Maybe that's why my video's coming out choppy. See what else? Yeah. So in conclusion, this I got refurbished, and I got it for about 160 bucks on eBay. The regular price is anywhere from $300 to $350. I'm hoping I get better video, and it's nice and small. I like that. That's why I'm not crazy about attaching this to it, because that defeats the whole purpose of having something small. The charging time on this is about an hour and a half, but you can get one of those booster things to you know, get a quick charge if you need, and that plugs in here. The microphone is here, that little dot right there, and that little dot right there, so be careful not to have your hands over that. And the sound is pretty good, I think. So all in all, taking this new little camera on my new little venture, and hopefully we'll have better video. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to Gone Exploring. Today we are at the Denver of the East Farmers Market in Denver, North Carolina. We are checking out my new camera to see how it works when I walk, and see if it takes the bounce out of my step. I am hearing dog, I am not seeing dog. Over there. Got a block. Oh, yeah, there he is. Dog.
Actually, I'm not going to get up on the ledge. I'll meet you in the store.
Doggies everywhere.
So I don't go away that often.
Pretty baby.
I'll see you at 11. Thank you. Go, this way, go. Go.